How to delete saved Wi-Fi networks on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down, then tap on connections. Next, tap on Wi-Fi. Then we tap on the more button at the top. And from the pop-up menu, tap on advanced settings. Next, go down and tap on Manage Networks. From the list here, tap on the network that you want to delete. Then tap on Forget. And that's it. So we have now deleted a Wi-Fi network. Now from the list here, if you want to delete any other network, just simply open it up and then tap on Forget. And that's it. After that, you tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.